Hello and welcome to Maths Plus. We're covering the Leaving Cert Higher Level Paper 2 Question 2. The question relates to coordinate geometry with slopes, division of a line segment and the slope between two lines. So let's look at question 2 part A. We have 2 points A and B, and we need to find an internal point which will provide a ratio of 4:1. So we need to use the formula in the log tables of subdivision of a line segment. So page 18, and let's write it out. So we have bx1 plus ax2 over b plus a, and again by1 plus ay2 over b plus a. Let's assign x1, y1 to the coordinates. Let's plug everything in, and we're going to let the ratio 4:1 correspond to a and b, okay, in those values respectively. So let's sub everything in, and we will get, for bx1 we will get 4 or 8/1, which is 8, plus ax2, which is 4/x2, which is -4, all over the addition 4 plus 1, and on the other side we get a result of -4 for by1 plus 12 for ay2 all over 5, and the result is for point C is equal to 4/5 in the x and 8/5 in the y. So very straightforward, part A. Let's look at part B. So this question looks more difficult than it actually is, because we don't have numbers, and we want to find the intercept down here in terms of the variables. But let's proceed as if we had numbers. So let's write in our line formula, and we will find the y-intercept when we set x is equal to 0. So let's carry on. So the point QR is x1, y1, and slope m. So y minus y1. So that will be r, and that's equal to m by x minus q. Multiply out and bring over your r, and we will get mx minus mq plus r. Let's set x to 0 now for the condition of the y-intercept, and we will get y is equal to, this will go to 0, is equal to r minus mq. So the coordinate will be 0 in the x direction and r minus mq in the y direction. Part C, the line K has slope of -2. It also makes an angle of 30 degrees. So if we use those two values, we can implement them into a formula. Tan theta is equal to plus or minus m1 minus m2 all over 1 plus m1 m2. So we need to input theta is 30 degrees. We can say m1 is equal to -2, and let's rearrange and reformat our answer into the desired format there, d plus e square root of f. So tan of 30 is equal to plus or minus. So let's omit that for our workings at the moment, and let's concentrate on our workings. So we'll have 1 minus plus 2 minus plus by minus 2 is a minus 2 m2. So let's evaluate tan 30. So let's look it up, or let's do tan inverse of 30. Tan inverse of 30, and we will get 1 over the square root of 3. Let's look up page 13 in your log tables. So we're going to get 1 over the square root of 3 as our ratio. And let's multiply everything out now. So we need to do some algebra with dm2 because we need to get everything else in terms of m2. So let's cross multiply now. So this will multiply up, and this root 3 will multiply up as well. So we're going to get 1 minus 2 m2 equal to minus 2 root 3 minus m2 by root 3. Let's bring the m2's to the left hand side, and we will get root 3 minus 2 m2 on the left hand side when we group everything together, and on the right we will just get a number minus 1 minus 2 root 3. So we're using the plus at this moment. If it doesn't work out, we will do the negative, but at this present we can see it's working out because we can get a value for m2. So let's put it all together and let's divide across by the root 3 minus 2m2. So put it into your calculator and we will get a result for m2, which is 5 plus 4 root 3. And that's perfect as it's in the format of d plus e square root of f. And that's question 2 of the 2022 Leaving Cert higher level paper. Thank you for watching Maths Plus.